How to find posts you recently deleted. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find posts you recently deleted on your Instagram account. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on your activity. Now scroll down and click on the second before the last, view and manage content you have recently deleted. Click on it and this is your reels, and here you're gonna find your stories, and this is it. Now this is how you find your recently deleted, and you should know only you can see those reels or those posts or those stories you deleted. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that you won't be able to restore them again. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.